In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an owner on your AirPods. So if you've recently got new AirPods or you're planning on selling your old AirPods, you may want to go and remove the ownership to remove everything like the tracking and all of the settings. Now we can do this just by using a simple combination on the AirPods case. So all you need to do is go in, flick open your AirPod case like this. Make sure both of the AirPods are placed inside of the case. Now all you need to do is come round to the back of the AirPods case, and all you need to do is hold down this button for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Now while holding down this button, you'll see this LED light on the AirPods case. Now currently it's just flickering white, but if we continue to hold this button down, eventually it's going to flicker into an amber color. So keep holding it down until this light flickers into an amber, and as soon as you see this amber light, you can go and release the button from the case. You can then close the lid of your AirPods. Now go and unlock your iPhone and also unlock your AirPods, and you'll see we get this notification pop up, and we can go and click on the connect button to reset and to connect our AirPods, and this will go and remove all of the tracking and the previous history from this AirPods.